Normally when you become a salesperson, you meet someone new like many times, okay, during the period of your job. You meet a lot of people, a lot of new customers, and in this case, these are something that you probably need. Hello Arabs fans, welcome back to Belajar Bersama with me, Andri here, okay. It's been ages for me not to upload any videos. I'm Indonesian, by the way. I'm from Indonesia, and in this video I'm trying to speak in English. So anyway, I mean everyone from wherever you are can understand what I'm trying to explain here. So today I would like to share, let's say I'm sharing here, so I would like to share to all of you about how to present yourself in front of people, so you look convincing and you can create such a connection, you know, with people, okay, especially when you become a salesperson and you approach people to sell your products probably. So you need to pay attention to several of these things to make sure you are presentable in front of people, okay, and you know, get connection, get people, be friends. Anyway, so let's start from the first one. I have my note here in front of me. So the first one that you need to pay attention to is make the first impression is the way you look, okay. This is probably, I mean, some people think your look is not important. In fact, it is very important, okay. The way you look, whether you look tidy, you know, neat, you wear you know, clean clothes, clean shirt, neat, and you can also wear your perfume, okay, whatever perfume you have. It doesn't need to be branded perfume, as long as you smell good, you don't smell bad, okay, you don't smell sweat, that will be great. So the way you look, whether you look tidy, you know, your hair, how you look at, you know, make it tidy. So when you present yourself in front of people, you don't look messy, and it can also boost your confidence if you think, I mean, if you have prepared yourself to look tidy with nice shirt. It doesn't need to be branded again, okay, as long as it's tidy and nice and clean, you smell good, and you can be more confident to present yourself in front of people, to talk to them, okay. So the second one besides your look is your attitude, okay, the way your posture, probably I should say, not attitude in this case, probably the posture. When you meet someone, you have to, you know, from the handshake, make sure you have you know, a strong handshake, not strong, a firm handshake. Like, you have to shake someone's hand firmly, not you know, you have to give a little bit power to your palm to shake somebody's hand, because it will show how confident you are and how motivated you are, probably from the way you shake someone's hand. And also when you walk, make sure you can show your confidence by the way you walk and the way you sit down and talk to them, okay. And also talking about posture, you also need to pay attention to giving smile. You know, giving smile is very important. Whomever you meet, okay, in whatever the situation is, let's say back at home you have problem with your families, you're probably not in a good mood, or whatever it is happening in your life, okay, your personal life, you have to make sure it doesn't affect you professionally. So when you talk to someone, no matter how sad you are, how angry you are, you have to put that away first and wear smile to talk to them, okay, because smile can really melt situation can really make people feel comfortable with you when you talk to them and smile. Okay? Don't forget to smile. And next one is the eye contact. Okay, eye contact is very important when you meet someone. When you talk to them like this, you have to look them at the eye. Don't look down when you talk to them, or don't look too much somewhere else when you talk to them. So make sure you have 70% of your eye contact, probably, or 80% of your eye contact, or probably 100% of your eye contact to someone you talk to. It is a bit challenging, I'm sure, because for me myself it's still also challenging, especially when you are from Eastern countries like Indonesia. I'm Balinese anyway, by the way. So when we talk, it's probably considered a bit impolite to look at someone's eyes when we talk. So we tend to look away when we talk, or look down when we talk. But this is something that we need to. This is a challenge for us to really make sure that we look at someone we're talking to when we talk to them, because this is something that eye contact is really something that can show your confidence as well to people, and show that you are friendly, you want them with you, you want to talk with them. Okay, so this is very important. Let's challenge ourselves, okay, to talk to someone using our eye contact. Look at them, okay, look at their eyes and talk to them. Okay, and the next one we have here is when you talk to someone, especially someone that you meet, make sure you simplify the words. Like okay, when you meet someone for the first time, we don't exactly know each other yet. So in this case, especially when you become a salesperson, you have to really make sure that the words you use are simplified enough and easy for people to understand what you want to say. Okay, because sometimes the challenge is you have something in your head, but when you try to transfer to someone, the lexical choices or the words are the challenges. Like how you pick the right words to deliver what you have in your head to someone else. So people will get something from your head, like transferring things from your head through your mouth to someone else. Okay, the challenge is there. Okay, the challenge exists. For instance, when you have A, how you transfer that A to someone else, so it doesn't become A minus or A double minus, A minus minus, or whatever. So it's still intact. You have A and you transfer to someone else, and that person still catches it intact. Okay, it's still A. It doesn't change to something else, to B or C. That's a challenge. Okay, so when you deliver this, transfer this, make sure you use simplified words to make people easily understand what you want to say to them, what you want them to understand from you. Okay, and the next one I have here is the positive attitude, positive words. Okay, positive attitude means like when you talk to someone, make sure you respect them, okay, and when you talk to them also be positive. Like try to avoid something that probably makes them offended, because you meet someone for the first time and they're not your best friends, so you have to, they're strangers that you just met. They're still strangers you meet for the first time anyway. So in this case, you have to really make sure that everything you do, your attitude, how you act, is in a positive way, and the words that you use when you deliver, when you present yourself, are all positive words. Make sure, try to avoid something that sound negative to them. Okay, this is something important, and by showing yourself that you're full of positivity, people will also be positive. Like, okay, I'm sure this person is great. Okay, so you have to show yourself that way. Also, the next one here I have on my note is to speak enthusiastically. So you have to be enthusiastically. You speak full of enthusiasm to someone, okay? Being enthusiastic is like you have the power and the confidence, power, and what we call it, the you are very excited to talk about this. Show them that you are very excited to talk to them. You're very enthusiastic, so they will get the positive energy also from you being enthusiastic in talking to them. Okay. Also, the last two I have here is be sincere. Okay, be sincere to yourself. Like, be who you truly are. Like, be sincere means when you are sincere to yourself, I think it will show. You will. It will show. The sincerity will show itself from your gesture, from your facial expression. So just be sincere. Okay, don't. Yeah, it's really hard to define the sincerity, but sincerity. Do I pronounce it right? So it's really hard to be sincere in this case. Is you can feel it. It's just something that you just need to be sincere, and it will show itself by their gesture, facial expression, and things. So it is also part of being positive, I guess. And the last one that you need to pay attention to when you talk to someone new, whether you are becoming a marketer or sales or whatever, I mean, you're talking to someone new that you just met, is controlling your emotion. Okay, don't be too emotional in many ways, in every way. So just be calm and be be clear to whatever you want to say. Don't be affected. You have to really control whatever the emotion. Whatever the emotional things that are happening during your conversation. You have to really control the emotion and try to keep all of those things I've just mentioned before being positive. By controlling your emotion, you can really show you can really keep your attitude being positive. You can keep the words that you use are still positive, and by controlling your emotion, you can also control your eye contact, your smile, etc. So you have to be emotionally stable, okay, during this conversation with someone you first met. So probably all of those things are something that can help you when you meet someone new, okay? If you still have something that I probably miss or I forget to mention, you can just write in the comment section below about how or some things or several things that we need to pay attention when we meet someone new, okay? Whether you become a salesperson, normally when you become a salesperson, you meet someone new like many times, okay? During the period of your job, you meet a lot of people, a lot of new customers, and in this case, these are something that you probably need to really pay attention to, okay? So you can go check one by one again several things that I've mentioned previously. If you think that's something I missed or I forget to say, again, I encourage you to write in the comment section below. Or if you have problems or experience in talking to someone new and you want to share it, please write in the comment section below. Or questions about anything related to meeting someone new, probably, or related to being a good speaker, being a professional public speaker, probably, you can write in the comment section below. Okay, we share here, we learn together. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Don't forget to share it to your other friends so all of us can be friends here and learn together. And don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Okay, be friends with me here in Belajar Bersama Andri. I'm Andri. I'm Indonesian, but here again I use English because I want people from other countries who watch me also understand what I say. If you don't understand, please write in the comment section below, okay? Thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you again in the next video with several other things that we probably need to learn together. Till then, see you again and stay healthy. Bye bye.